Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best iPhone 13 charger is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential accessories for any Apple user, often taken for granted until you're desperately searching for a quick power boost, and with so many options flooding the market, from official Apple bricks to third-party alternatives promising faster speeds and better value, choosing the right one can feel surprisingly complex, impacting not just charging time but also the longevity and safety of your beloved device. Number 5. DABUSTAR iPhone 33W USB-C PD Fast Charger. This is a powerful 33W USB-C PD wall charger designed specifically for your iPhone. It comes with an MFI certified 6-foot Type-C to Lightning cable, ensuring quick charging and reliable data sync. Its 33W output delivers maximum charge to your latest iPhones, powering them up to 3 times faster than standard chargers. It also supports Quick Charge 2.0, making it versatile for many Android devices. This charger is built with high-quality, heat-resistant ABS material, ensuring durability and safety. It meets global electrical standards with multiple certifications, providing exhaustive protection while charging. It includes a 6-foot MFI certified USB-C to Lightning cable with a preeminent copper core. This ensures stable data sync and rapid charging at 3A maximum, powering your iPad Pro 2.5 times faster. The included cord features automatic chip recognition, allowing direct connection between your MacBook Pro and iPhone iPad. This provides 480 megabits per second data transfer speed and guarantees flawless compatibility without warning messages. This PD fast charger is compatible with a wide range of devices, including various iPhone and iPad models. It also supports Google Pixel, Samsung Galaxy, and other Type-C devices that utilize USB power delivery. What we like. This charger offers a robust 33W output, significantly faster than standard options, and comes with an MFI certified 6-foot cable. It ensures both rapid power delivery and reliable data transfer for your Apple devices. If you need a complete, high-speed charging solution with guaranteed compatibility and extra reach, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Juusmart 20W PD Fast Charger Kit. Tired of waiting hours for your phone to charge? This powerful 20W USB-C charger can get your device to 50% in just 30 minutes. That's over an hour faster than standard 5W chargers. Rest assured, this charger is MFI certified, ensuring full support with all iOS versions and future updates. It's built with high-quality materials for reliable performance and data transmission. Equipped with a multipotent safety system, it protects your devices from overvoltage, overcurrent, short circuits, and overheating. Charge with complete peace of mind, knowing your phone is safe. This versatile charger is compatible with a wide range of devices, from Phone 8 to the latest 14 Pro Max for fast charging. It also provides standard charging speeds for older models like Phone 7 and 6. You'll receive 2 20W USB-C chargers and 2 6-foot USB-C to fast charging cables in every box. It's a complete, convenient solution for all your charging needs. What we like. This option provides a convenient 2-pack of 20W fast chargers, each with an MFI certified 6-foot cable. It's perfect for charging multiple devices or setting up charging stations in different rooms. If you are looking for great value and need reliable fast charging for more than one location or device, this dual pack is ideal. What people say. Number 3. LUOATIP 20W USB-C fast charger for iPhone and iPad. This 20W USB-C charger is specifically designed for a wide range of Apple devices. It supports the latest iPhone models, from the 17 series down to the 11, as well as various Pad Pro, Air, and Mini models. Safety is paramount with this power adapter. It features a fireproof shell and built-in protection against overcharging, overcurrents, and overheating. Charging automatically stops once your device's battery is full. Experience incredible charging speeds with its 20W power delivery capability. It can charge your compatible iPhone up to 50% in just 30 minutes. For optimal performance, pair it with a suitable USB-C to C or USB-C to L cable. This charger boasts a heat-resistant and anti-throw design, ensuring durability. Its compact size and comfortable grip make it incredibly easy to carry, perfect for home, travel, office, or business trips. You receive a convenient 2-pack of these powerful 20W USB-C fast adapters. Please note that charging cables are not included in the package. What we like. You get 2 compact 20W USB-C charger blocks with this package, designed for ultimate portability. Its fireproof material and protection features ensure safe charging wherever you go. If you already have your own cables and are looking for durable, portable charging blocks to keep in your bag, office, or travel kit, these are a solid pick. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted as requested. Number 2. iPhone Fast Charger Kit. Experience rapid power-ups for your device. This charger can boost your iPhone to 50% in just 30 minutes, saving you valuable time. Rest assured with an Apple MFi certified cable. It features a smart chip for seamless compatibility and ensures no annoying warning messages. Your device is protected by a built-in multiple protection system. This prevents overvoltage, overcharge, and overheating, ensuring safe and stable power delivery. Enjoy the freedom of a long 6-foot cable. It's perfect for charging and syncing comfortably, whether you're at home, the office, or traveling. This kit works with a wide range of Apple devices, including various iPhone and iPad models. It provides optimal charging for all your compatible gadgets. You receive 2 fast charging plugs and 2 6-foot certified USB-C to Lightning cables. Plus, it comes with a 1-year worry-free guarantee for your peace of mind. What we like. This set includes 2 PD 2.0 fast charging blocks and 2 MFi certified 6 feet USB-C to Lightning cables, all equipped with multiple safety protections. Its intelligent chip safeguards your device's battery from damage. If you prioritize comprehensive safety features and appreciate the convenience of having 2 complete, long cable charging setups, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. Number 1. IFEART 70W USB-C charger for MacBook and iPad. It delivers incredibly fast charging speeds, powering your M2 MacBook Air to 50% in just 30 minutes. This charger is designed with original dynamic software and hardware systems to maintain your device's maximum battery capacity at 98%. It intelligently learns your charging routine, reducing battery aging and potentially doubling its lifespan. It offers optimized charging with intelligent output, supporting various wattages from 20W to 70W. This makes it widely compatible with a vast range of devices, including MacBooks, iPads, iPhones, and other USB-C laptops. The included 6.6-foot USB-AF certified cable protects your device's charging port from damage. Made with top-rated copper wire and premium TPE, it's tested for over 20,000 bends, offering 4 times longer lifespan and convenient charging anywhere. A soft, cool green LED indicator lets you know your device is powered. Its foldable plug protects screens from scratches, making it incredibly portable for all your travels. It features built-in multi-safeguards and a cooling system to protect against overcharging, short-circuiting, and overheating. This intelligently monitors temperature, ensuring your devices are always safe. You receive the IFEART 70W charger along with a durable 6.6 feet 2M USB-C to USB-C cable. Everything you need for efficient and safe power delivery. What we like. This powerful 70W charger is designed for rapid charging of not just iPhones, but also MacBooks and iPads, ensuring optimal battery health with its intelligent system. It comes with a durable 6.6 feet USB-C to USB-C cable and a soft LED indicator. If you own multiple Apple devices, especially a MacBook, and want a single, high-wattage charger that prioritizes long-term battery health, this is your go-to. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.